I know you know what the Rapper Shortcut is. Yeah, I'm talking to you because you got your hands on the calendar and you've had it for a while. How long have you had it though? I can tell you right now, the amount of stuff that you learned just in the first week, second week, the third week, now call me crazy, but the thing is, if you've had it for a couple months now, you could have already learned how to brand yourself, how to set up all your marketing, your Facebook pixels, start capturing fans, building a fan base before you even have music out. You could have already learned all this in the Rapper Shortcut, but what are you doing? I can't help you if you're not helping yourself. It's called a shortcut for a reason. You know how much further than all of the other rappers you would be right now if you would have just simply taken the step and taken the action and did it? People are going crazy over it right now. We're getting rave reviews, insane reviews. People, this is crazy. And you're able to actually get it now. Rappershortcut.com/relaunch. Because I know how many people actually want to get their hands on this, but there's only limited slots like there was last time. If you don't believe me, go look at the testimonials for this thing. And you can see those at rappershortcut.com/relaunch. There's no way you're gonna go to that page and be like, I don't need this. There's no way. The Rapper Shortcut is a program to make you the most valuable artist. I guarantee you, if you take the Rapper Shortcut and you're the only person in your town who takes it, you will be the #1 rapper in your town. There's no way you don't, because nobody else got the shortcut. We're adding value to you in multiple areas. And we're making you way more attractive to a label or a potential manager, a real manager, for venues to take you seriously, for people to take you seriously. You are actually built into an artist, and we show you what to do. And I made it for you because I didn't have it when I needed it, okay? But now you have it. So let's take over the game.